What's going on, guys? It's your boy Goofy, and today I'm bringing you guys another crypto video. Today I don't have a webcam, but we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, give you guys a little update on where the market is going, what I think is going to happen, Dogecoin, price predictions, and all that. So if you guys do enjoy, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So right now, Dogecoin is currently still in the bull flag zone. It is bouncing between 35 cents and 48. Right now Dogecoin looks pretty good if you ask me. Right now we did actually dip down a little lower. People thought that we were going to keep going up above the 42 cent, but I guess we caught that as resistant, as we can see right here. And we're slowly going back down, but I think on a smaller time frame, I think this is fine. But we definitely are struggling at this 42 cent line. If you see here on the smaller time frame that Dogecoin tried to break above. We had strong wicks. We had 7 wicks throughout 2 days trying to break above, and we just couldn't close above. Um, but yeah, Dogecoin though is on its last support. If it breaks 36, the last support that we have here is at 33 cents, 34 cents. If Dogecoin breaks below 34 cents, we are going to go down, I believe, to touch 29 cents. I do not want that to happen, okay? I have a lot of Dogecoin positions open. I do not want that. But worst comes to worst, we test this and that decides if we go up or down. But so far we tested this and so far we're going up. So hopefully, we just move this up and we're fine. Okay? Hopefully we don't break down and we just bounce up like I said right here, okay? But in the meantime, Dogecoin is currently using strongly. But right now, Dogecoin is currently using the 40 cents as support, which is pretty good because as you can see, we bounced here before, and then we used this before support, fell down, and look at all these wicks right here. Bounced really strong support here. As you can see, is holding, so that's very good sign for Dogecoin. Let's look at Bitcoin on the smaller time frame. Bitcoin is still above this pattern that we had. Same thing as Doge. It's actually Dogecoin is still below, but Bitcoin actually broke above the pattern that it was forming. So that's why we really do need Dogecoin to go above 42 and keep this uptrend going. Um, Anyways, Bitcoin right now is above $101,000 currently, guys. Insane. The peak that we had for Bitcoin was at let's see. I think I have to refresh. I have to refresh my page. Sorry about that, guys. BTC. Okay. So the peak that we had for Bitcoin was 103,000, which I feel like it was 104. But I guess 103. Right now we're at 101. Very good for Bitcoin. One major zone right here to watch for Bitcoin is this 94,000 mark. If we break this 94, we could go down to 92 and below to 90. 90 is that really strong zone. If not, we will retest the Fibonacci zone at 88 and 87. I don't think that comes yet. I think that comes after Bitcoin tries to touch 108, 113. And after Bitcoin hits that top, or maybe this fib to 120, I think we go back down in a few months to around 80,000. I feel like we're going to go up. Oops. I feel like we're going to go up here, maybe retest, go high, try to retest, and then lose. And then, we go back down here and then eventually start going up. That's just my prediction. Who knows? Maybe I'll leave that there for the next video. Let's see if Bitcoin does this. But yeah, in Dogecoin, I still think it can hit $1. I'll show you guys why I think that. If we go for my Fibonacci from the bottom of this, let's say right here to the top, and I think actually I did it wrong. If I use my Fibonacci from, let's say this top now, from this top to this bottom, we will get our 1.618, which is right here at 72 cents, which is exactly where the all-time high is, okay? We are definitely going to touch the zone, just like Bitcoin, I think is for sure going to touch this $20,000 range, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna hit the 20,000, and I'm not financial advice. I think we're gonna hit this for Bitcoin, and we're gonna hit this for Doge at least. And then if we break above, if Dogecoin breaks above its all-time high, which it should reclaim, and we should go up to a dollar 90 cents if we're being less proportionate. But realistically, we could see $1.40. $1.40 is his golden zone for the 3.618 level, which is right here at $1.30, $1.40. And all-time moon boy is $1.60. Okay. But yeah, guys, that's an update for Dogecoin. Actually, uh, let's look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum right now is it's kind of looking like every other chart. Every chart kind of looks the same. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of weird how all the charts kind of have the same pattern, how they went double top and down, double top down, and then Dogecoin had double top down. So that is one thing to note, that the markets are kind of all replicating each other. Ethereum right now is close to breaking its all-time high from way back. When was this? Actually, no, the all-time high is up here at 48. So Ethereum still has some room to grow, but it is trying to break above this resistance that we had in March, which was earlier in the year, which every Dogecoin broke the all-time high of that. A lot of coins broke it. For some reason, Ethereum is really struggling to break this all-time high from March. But once we do typically break the all-time high from the previous little fake out bull run, we should continue to go higher and try to attack this 4,800 from 2021. And if we break that, we could start seeing high numbers around 6,000. Let's see if I use my fib on this one right here, from here to here. We should see about 5,700 at least. And Super Moon Boy is 7,000. Okay, that's just using the fib levels. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin dominance. The reason why Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and a lot of other altcoins are struggling is because of the Bitcoin dominance. We've seen here on February 7th. If we go here to February 7th, Dogecoin immediately started dropping down, and that was because the Bitcoin dominance right here started going up. Now, when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, that means alt start going down. When Bitcoin dominance start going down, like here, Bitcoin, or sorry, when the alts start, when the Bitcoin dominance starts falling down, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Solana, with Brett, every single altcoin continues to go up when the Bitcoin dominance go down. Okay, so we need Bitcoin dominance right here to fall down more to absolutely confirm the bull run for altcoin season. Okay, and the reason why we've seen a little pullback and why we're struggling is because for some reason Bitcoin just wants to say, fuck you guys, I'm not done yet, and continue to do a little fake out or a little push up. But this is ultimately good because then we have more cash flow into the market and we can continue to go higher. All right. If we look here on the crypto bubble map, we got a lot of reds today. I'm not gonna lie, we have a lot of reds. A lot of reds, guys. Brett is down 4%. A lot of coins. Jasmy's up 9%. If I zoom in here, let's look at the daily. Our biggest daily gainer is Virtual's Protocol, which is 23%. Our number 2 is Jasmy. I actually long Jasmy here, guys. I long Jasmy. Let's look at the Jasmy chart. Let's pull it up. I love crypto, man. Jasmy is looking insane as well. If you were to buy the dip, let's see if you were to buy this dip right here. If you were to buy this dip, you're looking at a 53% gain within like 2 days. This was on the 9th, and today's the 13th. You're looking at a 53% in your money within 2 days, guys. That's absolutely insane. I did long Jasmy at like around 4.5. I made some money. I think I took profit, but right now it's looking really good actually. If it breaks this 4.9 level, it should start heading up again to where we just were. But right now, like I said, it really depends on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin to really try to break the all-time high, keep going up, so altcoins can go up as well. Uh, but yeah, let's look at the number. Our worst gainer is movement. I don't really know that. Tron. Tron is struggling. I don't know why. Let's look at Tron. Tron is down 10%. That's no good. Uh, oops. Tron. I know I have a chart somewhere. I guess not. I thought I had a chart. There we go. All right, so if we look at Tron, I guess this is when I circled it. This is when it broke that bull run, and I always just circle it just to see when I saw the coin before it ultimately mooned. And man, Tron actually went on an insane run. If we look here, this was December 3rd. This was just a week ago. It went on a 53% gain, huge gain. And if we look on the way down, massive, massive loss. So the people that bought up there, they're down 45%. But that's what happens when you buy high. You got to buy low. So like I said, if you were to buy low on this dip that happened a few days ago, you'd be looking at a 28% gain. But right now Tron is looking like it's consolidating, a little bull flag forming. It's still above these support levels, which is it broke this very strong support level. And the reason I got that green line, you can see that I bet you that line hits somewhere over here. Maybe not. I don't know how I got that green line. I guess this was acting as resistant. And the minute it broke this, boom. So it has not come down to touch this, which is a pretty good sign. All right, guys. But yeah, sorry I got distracted just talking about crypto. Make sure you guys are investing, take a risk, learn about how to trade. I'm not the best technical analysis guy, but I am learning. Shout out to Pingu. Shout out to Vision Pulse, and continue to learn, guys. Invest, and also always remember to take profits. Don't hold the moon back, because when this bull run market is over in about like March, when everything goes down, when Dogecoin goes down, because it will, it's not gonna stay above $1. When this thing comes down again, probably to like 50 cents or even 40, you're gonna wish that you sold your bag. So please continue to take profits, guys. All right, peace and love, and let's go to the moon. Bull run's not over yet, guys. Love you. Peace.